Hope you all are doing well. Welcome to Tiashat, California to learn delicious recipes with healthy twist. In today's video, I am sharing healthy breakfast recipes that will kickstart your day with nutrition and flavor. These are family friendly. Whether you are looking for quick breakfast ideas, high protein recipes or vegan recipes, I have got you covered. Stay tuned for mouth-watering options that are perfect for you and your family with essential nutrients. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for more healthy options and meal inspirations every week. Now let's start cooking. The first recipe is Moong dal or yellow lentils idli. This is protein-rich idli and the recipe you will find in my previous video. The link is given below. The second recipe is healthy gluten-free pancake. We are gonna use the same batter that we used for making idli. This is fermented moong dal batter and I am adding 1 cup of chopped spinach into it. I am gonna mix it nicely, then I am gonna add half cup of chopped onion and half cup of chopped tomatoes. You can use whatever vegetables you have in your fridge. Now I am gonna add 1 egg into it to make it more protein rich, but it is totally optional. If you are vegetarian or vegan, you can totally skip the egg. Now it's time to add some spices. I am adding some pepper powder into it. Salt is already there in the batter, that's why I am not adding it now. Now it's time to mix everything together and check the consistency of the batter. If it is too thick, then we might need to add some water. My batter looks too thick to me. I'm adding some water into it. Yes, now the consistency is perfect to make the pancakes or chilla. For the fat, I'm gonna use clarified butter or ghee, but if you are vegan, you can replace the ghee with any kind of oil that you prefer. I used half teaspoon of ghee and I'm brushing the pan with that. My pan is pretty hot now and I'm gonna make the chillas now. I'm gonna make 2 chillas at a time. Look at the consistency of the batter. It's not too thin or too thick. Perfect for making chillas. These are very easy to make and very delicious. Most of the people have an idea that healthy food is boring or tasteless, but that's not true. If you follow my recipes, you will definitely believe that healthy foods are delicious too. There is another healthy twist here. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds on the top of each pancake to add more nutrition into it. Both sides are well cooked now. It's smelling great in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna enjoy my breakfast with this healthy, protein-rich, gluten-free chilla. When are you gonna make it? Please comment below. In this video, I'm asking for your support to help spread the message that healthy food can be both delicious and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Health is wealth, and we truly are what we eat. My mission is to share simple healthy recipes that anyone can use to improve their lifestyle. By subscribing and sharing this channel, you will help me reach more people, and together we can build a positive, health-focused community. Your support truly matters. Thank you.